I never actually knew what ones and zeros was called. Bryce was like, okay, today we're talking about binary. I was like, what's that? And he's like, this is ones and zeros, and computers know how to read it. However, it's complicated for humans.
I think it's fantastic when you see the kids understand what you're doing, what you're building. You can see the light bulb go on, you can see them get involved and start answering questions.
And then he broke it down to us, and it's like, each number is a pattern where it goes 1, then 2, and I was like, this is actually making sense to me.
It makes you feel good about what we're doing and the effort we put into it, and really makes me want to continue doing this going into the future. If you can inspire just a small set of kids to want to pursue a career, we've succeeded. And I think we've already seen that.
Last year, Bryce Petty, he had this vision of doing a virtual computer science camp. They then reached out to me because we started our NS2 Gives corporate social responsibility program, and we at the time wanted to do something around STEM. We had nothing lined up around STEM, and so we thought this would be a really good time to do that, and I then reached out to Sylvia.
My name is Sylvia Watts-McKinney. I'm the Executive Director of Summer Search Philadelphia.
When I pitched the idea, I really think that if it was not for Sylvia believing in what we've done in the past and our relationship, that I don't think this would have happened as quickly as it did.
You work with Marissa. I mean, she's very bright and very intelligent and very innovative and very a go-getter. You don't say no to Marissa, you just figure out how to make it happen.
The truth is, Sylvia knows this landscape, right? She knows where the need is, she knows where the students are. That's something that we're not experts at.
And so we were happy that we were able to create this partnership together.
Two of the engines I want to highlight that are out there and they're freely available are Unity and Unreal. They're both really good game engines. These are the engines behind some of the bigger video games out there.
The coolest thing I learned was how to work with Unity. And Bryce took us into it and was showing us like how he can create like games, and he showed us a dragon model that he made. So that was like pretty cool. He was just spitting out information, but as he was doing it, he was going back to explain it, and I was like, okay, this is actually working out.
Bryce has been amazing. He's able to take this really difficult subject and talk about it in a way that you can be brand new to computers and you're able to grasp the ideas and the concepts that he's sharing.
My hope is they take away that the field is an interesting field. It can be challenging at times, but there's lots of opportunity. And really one of the things we talk about a lot in the course is you don't have to be a computer programmer to work in the computer field. You can be an artist, you can be a designer, you can be a storyteller, you can do all kinds of things that revolve around the STEM field and associate with computers.
Welcome everyone to our final day of the NS2 Inspires 2-week virtual computer science camp.
This is a game changer. This relationship that we have with NS2 is offering our young people another way in which to have a living family wage in order to live in our communities. We have a moral obligation to make sure that young people have a chance to make it in this country. There are way too many opportunities out there that we should allow them to have a finite set of decisions to be made. But when we have partnerships like with NS2, we can take on what would be considered the impossible.